The vertical metal crusher mainly uses the upper hammer structure to break materials by rotating at high speed. In the process of material automatic falling, the material is finely crushed and rolled by the gap between the lower hob and the crushing cavity. Meet the discharge requirements. Vertical crusher is characterized by its structure, high crushing speed, high efficiency, and easy maintenance. Our product is sold to many countries and regions around the world, get unanimous praise from customers. LF, you want to get accurate equipment configuration and recycling plan according to your own materials and output, please contact us directly.